everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about the Revlon styler. It is honestly amazing. I absolutely love it, and I've had it for a little over 2 years, and I want to show you how amazing it is and how it works for me, and maybe it can work for you too. So my hair currently, this is just how I woke up with it. I didn't brush it, I didn't do anything to it. I just left it as is so we can get a realistic review of it and communicate through the whole video and show you before and after. So this is my hair. I did just wake up with it like this. I do typically have like straight hair. It is a little bit wavy from washing it and having it air dry, and to be honest, my hair has a little bit of frizz to it. It does. I'll show you the back. So there is some frizz, as you can see. It's a little bit of frizz right here, and it's not perfectly straight, but we're gonna see how it works and see if it's as amazing as people say. I think it's amazing. It honestly, like to have less frizzy hair. I really do, and so this kind of helps me. Like 99% of the time I let it air dry, and then I'll use something like this or a straightener. Alright. So this is what it sounds like. My camera though. Forgive me, I'm still trying to learn how to do all of this and everything. I'm not gonna be perfect, and I'm not gonna pretend that I am. So, it is what it is. It should be good. Okay, so basically, it has an off, a cool, a low, and a high. And honestly, I do high, and then I'll do cool just to cool it to make it not like frizzy. Let's do the after. Oh, I would recommend to make some tension. It just slides, like just slides through, and it's not even on. Do my hair like that. It doesn't like pull or tangle or anything, and it's not even on. It just literally, you can twist it, turn it, whatever you want. So you can go over like this. This is what I do. I brush it through, and I just kind of like pull it, and there's a little bit of pull, but it's not like a tangle, not like a painful pull. It's like grabbing it, like holding its hand like tightly. And then another way you can do it too is you can grab your hair and you can go under. But I recommend, like I said, to have like a pull. It does get a little bit warm. If you want the ends to flip a little bit in or out, you can do a little turn like this, like grab it and then like flip it like this. You can do a little turn, and I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna do the whole process, and we'll go through it, okay? I'm gonna switch it to cool. Oh, and by the way, I did put heat protectant on my hair last night. When my hair was wet, I added my heat protectant in it because that's just the way I like to do it. Looks pretty. It really does. I mean, I still have a little tiny bit of flyaways, but I mean, nothing's perfect. It's hair. All right, let's do the next. Look, I already did almost half my hair. Almost. I have pretty like good amount of hair. Like I feel like I have thick hair, and I don't mind like separating it or not separating it. I'm not going. I always do the cold setting after I'm done. It cools and hopefully like it will tame the little flyaways. Of course we're gonna have some flyaways, it's hair, but we can try by putting the cool setting. Let's see. So this is my hair. Alright, there you have it. This is the results. Move my hair forward. It's so beautiful and it's so straight. Of course it has a little bit of volume, but volume is pretty. I mean, it's straight, it's pretty. I do have like a little tiny bit of flyaways, which I can just put some serum for that. Let me show you the back. The back. I think it's a win. I think this thing is amazing. I honestly, straightening is okay. I feel like it takes a lot longer. I feel like this can dry your hair. It can straighten your hair. It can give volume and body to your hair. And you can flip it, whatever, just like a straightener. It's so easy to use and it like brushes your hair. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't pull it up. It just slides. Like just slides through and it's not even on. One more. So put it through my hair like that. It doesn't like pull or tangle or anything. And it's not even on. It just literally, you can twist it, turn it, whatever you want. And it like brushes through so nicely. I love it. I think it's amazing. I highly recommend it. There is other brands. Mine's a little well loved. Mine's a little well loved, but I mean that's what they're for, right? That means if it's well loved, it means it's well used. So yeah, Revlon. Highly recommend. You should definitely get one. It will make a difference in your life and it'll save you a lot of time and just put a little bit of serum in it and you got results like these. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you in some sort of way. Thank you for watching. Bye.